MolaPlus Bovine Meal is a very special product when it comes to feedlots and beef production. For steers or bulls 7 months and above, administer MolaPlus Bovine Meal 1 to 1.5 kg per day. Mix with basal roughages like silage, hay, napier, or other roughages. To ensure proper digestion, administer gradually and ensure there is free access to clean drinking water, and you split feed into 2 meals per day to improve utilization. When you do that, you expect a weight gain of 1 to 1.5 kg per day.